Alright, morning guys, it's timed edge. It's a hot one in London. It's been 35 degrees for the last few days. Let me just sign into the chat. Bear with me 2 seconds. We've got a few minutes. If it doesn't work straight away, I'm going to have to do something else. Bear with me 2 seconds. Okay, alright, that's on. I'm hoping everyone can hear me. There's going to be a bit of background noise today because, like I said, it's hot. I've had to leave both of the windows open. So please excuse. Anyway, it's 5 to 8 GMT. Just profiling the markets at the moment. The VIX is currently sitting at 18.7, so we're going down on the VIX, which is good for the timed edge model. So yeah, let's see what we get. We've got a bullish profile on the bonds. So the FX could follow this, nothing is certain. I do hope my mic's turned up fine, you can all hear. Anyway, FX. Week 4, continuation or reversal. We have a range weekly profile. No 6B and 6S didn't change the state delivery, did we? Didn't get a close below, so. But we have 2 of the assets above, 1 below, so we've got a monthly. Right, let's mark that in. That'll become our draw of liquidity, 50% of the previous week's range. 6B is also taken previous week's high. It's Wednesday, it's a good day to trade. The VIX is dropping. Just got to try and be a little bit quick doing this. Range weekly profile. Six B, 6S above previous week's high. Okay, so if the 50% has already been mitigated here, let me just get rid of that. 50% has already been mitigated here, so if we start to go down, our key level is going to be here. Our draw of liquidity is going to be previous week's low. Quickly go on the daily. We've got 1 minute before 8, and then I want to look at something. that's happened. Daily profile, range daily profile. No clear change of state of delivery. Just means I want to see a stacked confluence. I can apply a certain model to the market. Okay, so we've got a weekly cycle. 6E is above previous week's high. So we've got our first crack there. I was waiting for this to pop. And then Judas, London is the Judas. Let's just mark this high. Let's see if one of these assets are going to set up for a micro now. I haven't had time to do Asia. Just marking the highs. I want to see one asset take the high, and then we drop down to the 1 minute time frame, potentially to look for a short opportunity. First target would be previous day's low, 50 weekly 50%, something like that. Yeah, previous day's low over here. Let me just mark 50% of the range here. If that is Asia, then that's probably going to be my target. First target would be Asia low. So if I'm looking for shorts, and we've already seen that we've got a monthly sequential SMT paired with a weekly, our draw of liquidities, everything's aligning now to go down. Which, if this is right, then it could pop down. I think we're seeing that, not quite. Just about to get it. We're going to tap into that standard deviation zone as well. Let me just go out in the 15 minute, just put in the, we're nearly there, we've nearly popped. Haven't quite done it yet anyway. Right, we're waiting for that wick above, close below, right? Let's just see if there is any. We've still got a bearish weekly CRT, haven't we? Even though we haven't drawn there. Still got this working within this range of this candle here. Wednesday. Wednesday is a high probability CRT day. So Tuesday's range, high and low, is very effective on Wednesday. Let's just go back up. Just going to profile Asia so we can get a okay, so 6S has crossed over there. Asia looks like it's formed a range, so London should form the wick. Okay, let's drop down to the M1, see what we've got here. Waiting for a precision swing point, haven't quite got it yet. I'll go on to not the cleanest. I think I'm into it. $16. Right, I didn't get a good feel on that. What happened there? Yeah, for some reason I didn't get a good feel on this. I don't know what happened. It put me in down here. With a massive stop loss. So I mean that would be my first target, but I think my position's been closed. Don't quite know what's going on in 2 seconds. Okay, so it didn't get me in on that. It got me in, but I moved it up again, and it didn't get me. Oh, that's a fucking shame. Well, that is what it is. I mean, don't know quite what to say there. That's deeply annoying. Just gonna check. No news until Thursday. Let me just check investing.com. Because Forex Factory is not always correct. Economic calendar. We got something ECB press conference at 6 p.m. GMT. Okay, it is what it is. Anyway, my first target would be Asia low, right? And then probably to the end of this. It's a shame that it put me in here, and I tried to readjust it to come back up here, and it's not put me in. Because it put me in with a horrible stop loss. I don't know why. Put me in with something like that would have been 10 ticks. It's not what I want. should have been here. Yeah, should have been about 6 ticks, not 10. Maybe my internet's not great and it just lagged. And it looks like it's pushing down as well. That's a shame. Filled this first presented fair value gap. We had the micro above, 6S took the high. Precision swing point was in here. This was the precision swing point. Entry should have been there, it was. And I can even show you that I took the position on my account. And it didn't get me on the second bit. Oh God. Okay. NQ is at all-time highs, isn't it? 30,000. It's ridiculous. All assets traded and closed above, so we can expect. Oh wait, there. Sorry. Should be able to see that now. I don't know why that was. That means you wouldn't be able to see my trade either. My internet's a bit dodgy, that's why. I'm assuming. Okay. Previous week, 2 out of the 3 assets didn't close above. So I've got a range weekly profile. Let's just mark previous week's high. Let's see how we've getting on here. Put a key level there. The idea is to see if all assets have closed above, and to do so we need I want to see a daily close above. It's the next time frame down. So right, okay, so yeah, we've got a daily close above. So we're expecting higher prices. Higher prices. Bullish daily profile. Buy below the open. We have got NQ above previous day's high though, haven't we? So let's draw the 50% in. That's of that range there. That's probably going to go to the other end of the range, right? So it's probably going to take previous day's low here, because we're already above. We're already mitigated 50% of the previous day's range. Let's see if there's any higher time frame CRT. I need to be what? Not really. 6 hour. Nothing. Just going to go out to the 15-minute. Just profile this quickly. Profile the day. jump out back out to the 1 hour. Let's just see. So we've got an XAND profile. Asia's expanded. We've got a weekly cycle. Got a weekly cycle and a bullish daily profile. Excuse me. Bullish daily profile. I don't start trading index futures until 8 AM. So we're seeing now on 6E price begin to pull back up. Liquidity maybe in this order block here. I'm not in the position anymore anyway. I think one of my, I think I was lagging, yeah, I've got an internet issue today. My internet keeps dropping out, I can see it on my OBS. Bear with me 2 seconds, I just need to... For now, I'm just going to keep an eye on the market. I'll be back at 9 a.m. So I'll be back in about 25 minutes, okay?